I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering audio assets you'll actually use. Pick royalty-free or properly licensed music, plus any voiceover and sound effects. Once done, convert to high-quality formats, 44, 1K HZ, 16-bit WAV or a high bitrate MP3, and normalize peaks around -1 to -3 dB so clipping won't ruin the mix. Make sure to label tracks with durations and intended in /out points. This saves time when you sync to your shorts, 15 to 6. Now edit and align audio to picture. You trim to the hook, add short crossfades, and keep voice prominent, boost narration about 6 dB above background music, and automate ducking for clarity. Once done, apply light compression to even dynamics, cut muddy frequencies below 100 Hz to tighten the mix, and add subtle EQ for presence. Make sure to export separate stems, voice, music, SFX, so you can tweak later in the editor without redoing the whole project. Finish by importing stems into your video editor and syncing them to your cuts and captions. Once done, preview on phone and laptop. Make sure dialogue stays clear through device speakers. Export the final audio track as a 44, 1K HZ WAV or 128/256 kbps MP3 depending on platform rules, then upload. If audio drops or disappears, check phase inversion and mono sum. Verify track routing and confirm loudness normalization settings on upload. Fixing one of those usually resolves missing or muffled audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.